Dara. Did you get it? Get that hair clip. Get that hair clip. Where'd it go? What happened? Where is it? There it is. There it is. Okay, you ready? You ready? Let me switch hands. Mark. Get set. Go. What happened? Why'd you stop? Why'd you stop, silly? Here. Ready? Mark, go. You're not being very playful today. You like to go after, but you don't feel like chasing. I think maybe you're too hot. Yes. Where is that hair clip? There it is. Go get it. Go. What happened? You don't want to go get it? Let's try again. You ready? 1, 2. Oh! What happened? What happened, sweetheart? Dara. 1. You don't feel like playing right now? What happened? What happened? Are you too hot? Maybe. Maybe you just want to be petted right now, huh? Okay, let's go see.